Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use multiple gift cards on the Disney store. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we're going to head on over to disneystore.com. Now from here, we just basically need to get to the checkout section. So I'm just going to add a random product into my bag here. So I'm going to click on some playtime favorites. I'm going to put in this water bottle. So I'm going to add this to my cart. Alright, so I'm going to add to bag. And now I've already got another product from another video, so I'm going to remove that one. It doesn't matter. Basically, we just got to go click on view full bag from here. And then scroll down. And then we've got a couple of different options. We can sign in and check out or guest checkout. I'm just going to do a guest checkout. Alright, and then you'll be brought to this page here. So we need to fill out your shipping address as you normally would. And now from there, go ahead and click on continue to payment. Alright, I need to add in my phone number. Alright, and the right country code. Alright, that looks a bit better. Continue to payment. And now, once we're in the payment section, right at the top, it will say Disney gift card. And so go ahead and click onto that, and it does state you can use up to 5 different gift cards. So go ahead and put in your account number and the EAN number found on that gift card, hit apply, and then do that for the next couple of gift cards you got. You can use up to 5 gift cards, but I did do some research, and if you got more than 5 gift cards, you can also add that in. You just got to reach out to their customer support to add in even more gift cards as well. So so go ahead and click on apply, and then just click on continue to contact, fill out your contact information, and then go ahead and click on submit order.